The goal for today is to continue clearing. It's a perfect day, just nice and overcast. It's cool. You got the chainsaw sharpened, gassed up. I'm going to take a break, and then these 3 trees and that one old growth stump are what's on the docket after lunch. put a serious dent in the clearing today. I'll just leave these trees for tomorrow. But I just got these 3 and this big one, and then the 3 behind it. The 2 right next to each other, and then that one. So it's really 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And really 2 of them are like a double. This one's a double. And then I can clear all this junk out. There's one more old growth stump right in there, and there's like a couple of tops in here that have snapped off from, I'm guessing, one of these trees here. So just a ton of brush to pile up over there, get all this cleaned out, and it should have a real nice clearing here. Well, it sure looked like impenetrable forest or thicket. But this backhoe sure makes quick work of stuff. Just smashed all those. There's probably like 4 or 5 trees just laying down right here. It must have been from when they had come in and logged 10 or 15 years ago. But I just was able to crumble them up and throw them over here temporarily. And then I'm just gonna try to smoosh, scoop all this stuff, throw it over here, and push these 2 smaller cedars onto the pile. And I'll kind of pull them back a little bit so I can trim off the branches basically onto the pile. We'll see how that works. This one's a pretty big beast. This one's probably taller, but this one's a little girthier, especially down at the bottom. But the problem with this one is there's really no good place to push it. I think what I'm going to end up doing is coming up here and pushing it this way. That's why I got to get this tree out of the way first, so it has somewhere to go. So that's the plan. We'll see if I can make it to these guys today. It's going to be a lot of work, just these 4 trees. Knock this root ball down, knock some of the dirt in here, start filling this in. Cut this tree up, keep on keeping on. Oh, making some progress today. So I'm thinking I'll come in and cut these stumps off, and I might try to pull this one fur out of here. I'll cut it and try to pull it over and pull it out if I can. I know it's going to be a little hard. My streak just ended for not getting my saw stuck. I hadn't got it stuck this whole clearing yet. This one's an easy one though. Oh, maybe. Yeah, that wasn't too bad. think that'll do it for today. That took a while to get down. Stubborn. Thought it might be. It was a big one. There's a lot of lumber in this log, or in this tree. Oh. It's probably at least 3 foot thick right here. Ooh, that was a tough one. Well, this will definitely be the toughest clearing I'll have to do on this whole property, probably. This is a pretty thick spot. Just looking at these trees, it's just packed in here. I'm glad that I'm down to just my last 3 little ones there, and I was thinking probably just this one fir's gotta go. I was just watching the wind blow it. It's like a giant palm tree. But it's leaning this way, leaning right at us, so I'll probably take that one, but that'll be it. And then this one, probably that one fir, it's leaning this way too. And then the cedar and this one little skinny fir. So 4, 7, 8. 8 more trees. And then I can start laying out where the building's gonna go. So it's basically going to be a sawmill and a garage and a kiln all in one building. And this little triangle is actually another parcel. So each parcel gets a 400 square foot building, or a combination of buildings that add up to 400 square feet that you can have that are unpermitted as long as you don't live in them. So that way we can use this parcel and put the building on here and have it non-permitted, and just build it and not have to worry about it. That pile of logs is gonna all be milled up and used, so not only do we get the wood, but that wood will pretty much pay for the mill and the building and everything, and then some. It's a good thing I didn't put the camera right there, huh? The last one got me. Let's see if I can kind of pull this out. If I pull it back, maybe I can pull it out. Let's see if that works. Uh-oh. I think it's even worse now. Oh boy. Not bad. I'll take it.
Here goes. Oh, almost. No, stay there, hon. Stay there.
I'm back. Gonna finish off this clearing today. Gonna take this tree down, that little one there, and I think I need to take this one, and that fir there. They're all leaning right at where the building's gonna be, and they're also blocking sun to the greenhouse. And as much as I hate taking down trees, but if I don't take down these trees and create an environment that we can live sustainably, then we have to do it somewhere else and let someone else do it for us. With this being so close to this tree, I don't want to push it over and basically probably kill this tree. So I'm going to take them down with the chainsaw. As you can see, this one's got this second little tree here. So I'm going to try to notch it up here and cut it this way and fall it straight that way. That's the way it's leaning. Just have to reach up kind of high, but it should be okay. Pretty big tree. And then the fir isn't quite as big. It's got this kind of crazy twist to it, so I need to be a little careful with this one. It's still, for the most part, going mostly straight up, but there's definitely some tension in there. So I just got to trim those stumps down real low and buck up these trees, and then I'm officially done with dropping trees for, oh wait, there's a scraggler there, that little tiny broken one I wanted to drop, but that's it. Then just clean up this mess, And right now I'm leaning towards burying all this on the hillside probably. But we'll see when we get there. I gotta get get a hat on. It's getting hot out here. And yeah, keep moving.